dear students, as we are continuing at the following from our fraction chapter. One example I previously solved. Now discuss from question number B, that is 2 upon 3 plus 5 upon 9 plus 7 upon 36 plus 1 upon 2. Look over here. So first of all, do the LCM of the given denominators 3, 9, 36 and 2. Apply first over here 2, 3 as it is, 9 as it is, 2, 18s are 36 and 2 1s are 2. Now apply 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 6 are 18 and 3 1s are 3. 1 as it is. Next again 3, 1 as it is, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6 and 1 as it is. Now apply 2, 2 1s are 2, all the 1s are come over here. So the LCM 2 into 3 into 3 into 2, that is 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 2s are 36. Now divided this 36 by the denominators. If I divide 36 by 3, get 12. 36 divided by 9, get 4. 36 divided by 36, 1. 36 divided by 2, we get 18. So now whatever quotient came, I will multiply it both by denominator and numerator. So 2 multiply 12 and 3 multiply 12. Same way 5 multiply 4 upon 9 multiply 4 plus 7 multiply 1 upon 36 multiply 1 plus 1 multiply 18 upon 2 multiply 18. So the digits are 12 2s are 24 upon 36, 20 upon 36, 7 upon 36 plus 18 upon 36. Now all are like fractions, so I will add only the numerator 24 plus 20 plus 7 plus 18. So if I add all this, I will get 69 and denominator as it is, that is 36. Now I reduce it, divided both numerator and denominator by 3. So 3 I will get 23, divided by 3 I will get 12. Cut both 3 and 3. So 23 upon 12 is the reduced form and it is the answer of this sum. Come for the next, that is C. Question number C. Here it is 4 integer 2 upon 3 plus 6 upon 7 plus 4 upon 1. So first of all, convert it into improper fraction. 4 3s are 12 plus 2, that is 14 upon 3 plus 6 upon 7 plus 4 upon 1. Do the LCM over here. 3, 7 and 1. 3 1s are 3, 7 as it is, 1 as it is. Apply 7, 1, 7 1s are 7 and 1. So the LCM is 21. Now divided this 21 by the all denominators. 21 divided by 3 got 7. 21 divided by 7 got 3. 21 divided by 1 got 21. Now whatever quotient come, multiply it both by denominator and numerator. So 47 multiply 7 and here it is 3 7s are 21. 6 multiply 3 upon 21 plus 4 multiply 21 upon 21. Now all are like fractions, so add all the numerators only, that is 98 plus 18 plus 84 upon 21. After adding all these number, I will get over here 200 upon 21. This is our answer. Next, same way we can do subtraction also. Subtract to find the difference. Our first question, 50 upon 10 minus 23 upon 6. So write over here this way, 50 upon 10 minus 23 upon 6. So first of all, do the LCM of 10 and 6. 2 5s are 10 and 2 3s are 6. Apply 3, 5 as it is, 3 1s are 3. Then apply 5, 5 1s are 5. So our LCM is 5 into 3 into 2. 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30. Now LCM divided by the denominators, 30 divided by 10 got 3, 30 divided by 6 got 5. Now with 3 I will multiply both numerator and denominator, that is 50 multiply 3 and 10 3s are 30 minus 6 5s are 30 and 23 multiply 5. If I multiply 150 upon 30, 50 into 3 that is 150 upon 30 minus 23 into 5 that is 75 upon 30. So now these two are the like fraction, so 30 as it is, 150 minus 75, I will get 75 upon 30. We can reduce it by both the numerator and denominator by 5 only. Now next, number B, that is 27 integer 1 upon 6 minus 24 integer 1 upon 5. First convert it into improper fraction. 27 multiply 6 that is 162 plus 1 that is 163 upon 6 minus 25 4s are 120 plus 1 that is 121 upon 5. So now LCM both of these, that is 6 and 5, one is composite number and one is prime number. So LCM not possible because they don't having any common factor. That's why I multiply over here, that is 6 multiply 5 that is 30. So now 30 divided by 6 get 5 and 30 divided by 5 got 6. Now multiply both numerator and denominator with 5. So 163 multiply 5 and 6 5s are 30. Same way 121 multiply 6 upon 5 6 are 30. So 815 upon 30 minus 121 into 6 and is 726 upon 30. Now do the subtraction, that is 815 minus 726 upon 30. So 89 upon 30 is our required answer. Another one example, if here it is no denominator, 7 minus 8 upon 11. How we will solve it? So 7, if the denominator is not there, then put 1 as denominator. So 7 upon 1 minus 8 upon 11. Here also 1, both the number are prime numbers. So LCM is 11. Now if I divided 11 by 1, I will get 11, and 11 divided by 11, I will get 1. So 7 into 11 upon 1 into 11 minus 8 into 1 upon 11 into 1. So here it is 77 upon 11 minus 8 upon 11. So 77 minus 8 upon 11. If I subtract both of these, I will get 69 upon 11. Now the very important things, that is simplify the following. How do we will simplify? upon 9 plus 1 integer 5 upon 6 minus 1 integer 2 upon 3. Here addition and subtraction both are heavy. So first of all, make it into improper fraction, that is 9 2s are 18 and 1 19 upon 9 plus 6 1s are 6 plus 5, that is 11 upon 6 minus 3 1s are 3 plus 2, that is 5 upon 3. Now do the LCM 9 6 and 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. Again apply 3, 3 1s are 3, 2 as it is, 1 as it is. Apply 2, 1 1 1. So our LCM is 3 3s are 9, 9 into 2, that is 18. Now 18 divided by 9 got 2, 18 divided by 6 got 3 and 18 divided by 3 got 6. Apply the same formula. Multiply both numerator and denominator, that is 19 into 2 upon 18, 11 into 3 upon 18 minus 5 into 6 upon 18. So here it is 38 upon 18 plus 33 upon 18 minus 30 upon 18. All are like fraction, so add all the numbers, that is 38 plus 33 minus 30. First of all, add both of these because addition work always come first. 71 minus 30 upon 18 equal to 41 upon 18. 71 minus 30 equal to 41 upon 18.